Hey everyone! Welcome back to Calm English Co. I'm Lucy.
And I'm Tom. And, okay, I have a confession to make.
Uh-oh. What is it?
I'm kind of afraid of phone calls in English.
Really? You? But you're so confident.
I know, but when my phone rings and I see an unknown number, my heart starts racing. I think, what if I don't understand them? What if they talk too fast? What if I say the wrong thing?
Okay, that's actually really common. A lot of English learners avoid phone calls.
Right? Like, texting is easy. Email is easy. But phone calls? No time to think. No time to translate. Just instant conversation.
Exactly. So today, we're going to fix that fear. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when you answer a call, when you make a call, and even how to leave a voicemail.
And we'll practice together, step by step. So if you're ready, grab your headphones and let's do this.
Let's go.
Okay, Lucy. Why do you think phone calls are so scary for English learners?
Hmm. Well, I think the biggest reason is you can't see the person.
Yes. When you talk face to face, you can see facial expressions, body language, lips moving. All of that helps you understand.
But on the phone, just audio, no visual clues.
Exactly. And if the connection is bad, or the person talks fast, you might miss words.
Right. Second reason, there's no time to prepare.
Oh, absolutely. Like if someone emails you, you can take 5 minutes to write a reply. But on the phone, you have to respond immediately.
Yeah, no time to translate in your head, no time to check a dictionary.
And third reason, you don't know what they're going to say.
True. Like, is it your friend calling? Your boss? A delivery person? You don't know until you answer.
So your brain panics. You think, what if I don't understand?
Exactly. But here's the good news. Most phone calls follow a pattern.
Yes, there are common phrases people use. And once you learn those phrases, phone calls become so much easier.
So today, we're going to teach you those phrases, and we'll practice together.
Perfect. Let's start with answering the phone. Oh, before we start, I have to tell you about the most embarrassing phone call I ever had.
Oh no, what happened?
Okay, so a few years ago, I got a call from a number I didn't recognize. And I was nervous, so when I answered, I just said, yes,
Just yes?
just yes. And the person on the other end said, um, is this Tom? And I said, yes. And then they said, this is your dentist. You missed your appointment.
Oh my gosh, so awkward.
I know. I should have said, hello, this is Tom speaking. But I panicked and just said, yes, like a robot.
Okay, we are definitely teaching the right way to answer the phone today.
Please save future learners from my mistake.
All right, so your phone rings. What do you say?
The most common way to answer is, hello?
Hello? Simple, right? Let's repeat. Hello?
Hello? You can also say, hello, this is Tom speaking.
Hello, this is Lucy speaking. This is more formal. You use it for work calls or if you don't recognize the number.
Right. So informal equals hello. Formal equals hello, this is your name speaking.
Perfect. Now, the person on the other end will usually say, Hi, is this Tom?
And you can say, yes, this is Tom, or yes, speaking.
Speaking means, yes, that's me. It's a quick, polite way to confirm.
Let's practice. Lucy, you call me. Ready?
Ring ring.
Hello?
Hi, is this Tom?
Yes, this is Tom. Who's this?
It's Lucy from the coffee shop.
Oh, hey, Lucy. How are you?
See? Easy. Now, what if the call is for someone else?
Good question. Let's say someone calls and asks, is Sarah there?
If Sarah is there, you say, yes, one moment please, I'll get her.
One moment, please. Let's repeat. One moment, please.
And if Sarah is not there, you say, I'm sorry, she's not available right now. Can I take a message?
Can I take a message? This is super polite and helpful.
All right, let's practice. Tom, call me and ask for Emma.
Hello?
Hi, is Emma there?
I'm sorry, she's not available right now. Can I take a message?
Yes, please tell her Lucy called. My number is 555-1234.
Got it. I'll let her know.
Perfect. So now you know how to answer the phone and handle different situations.
Next step, making a phone call.
Okay, so now you're the one calling someone. What do you say?
First, when they answer, you introduce yourself. You say, Hi, this is Tom.
Hi, this is Lucy. Let's repeat. Hi, this is Tom.
And then you say why you're calling. For example, I'm calling about,
I'm calling about my appointment.
I'm calling about the job application.
I'm calling to ask a question.
See the pattern? I'm calling about or I'm calling to.
These are super useful phrases. Let's practice. Tom, you call a doctor's office to make an appointment.
Okay.
Hello, City Medical. How can I help you?
Hi, this is Tom. I'm calling to schedule an appointment.
Great. What day works for you?
How about next Tuesday?
Tuesday at 3 p.m.?
Perfect. Thank you.
See? Simple. Now, what if you need to ask for someone specific?
You say, Can I speak to name, please?
Can I speak to Sarah, please?
Can I speak to the manager, please?
And they'll either say, sure, one moment, or, I'm sorry, she's not available.
If they're not available, you can ask, When's a good time to call back?
Great question. Or you can say, can I leave a message?
Let's practice. Lucy, you call my office and ask for Mike.
Ring.
Hello, ABC Company.
Hi, can I speak to Mike, please?
I'm sorry, Mike's in a meeting right now.
Oh, okay. Can I leave a message?
Of course.
Please tell him Lucy called. My number is 555-6789.
Got it. I'll pass that along.
Perfect.
Okay, Lucy. Do you remember the time you called the pizza place and they thought you were speaking a different language?
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, so I was trying to order a pizza over the phone, right?
Right.
And I said, hi, I'd like to order a large pepperoni pizza. But my accent was a little off, and the person said, I'm sorry, what? So I repeated it slower. A large pepperoni pizza. And they said, oh, pepperoni. Got it.
See? Speaking slowly and clearly helps so much on the phone.
Exactly. Don't rush. Take your time. All right, so here's a big problem. Sometimes the person on the phone talks really fast.
Oh, absolutely. Like, they say a whole sentence in 2 seconds, and you're like, wait, what?
Exactly. So here's what you do. You say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Can you repeat that? Let's say it together. Can you repeat that?
Or you can say, can you say that again, please?
Can you speak a little slower?
These are perfectly polite phrases. Native speakers use them too.
Right. Like, even I sometimes don't understand someone on the phone, and I'll say, sorry, can you repeat that?
Exactly. It's not rude. It's normal.
Now, what if they use a word you don't know?
You can say, I'm sorry, what does that mean?
Or, can you spell that?
Can you spell that? Is super useful for names, addresses, or email addresses.
Let's practice. Lucy, you say a complicated name, and I'll ask you to spell it.
Hi, my name is Siobhan.
I'm sorry, can you spell that?
Sure. Siobhan.
Got it. Thank you.
See? Easy. Don't be afraid to ask.
Another useful phrase is, can you send that by email?
Can you send that by email? This is great if you need to remember important information.
Like, if someone's giving you directions or a long address, you can say, that's a lot of information. Can you send it by email?
Perfect. Now, let's talk about a tough situation. Bad connection.
Oh, yes. Sometimes the call breaks up and you can only hear every other word.
If that happens, you say, I'm sorry, the connection is bad. Can I call you back?
The connection is bad. Can I call you back? This is polite and solves the problem.
Or you can say, I can't hear you very well. Let me move to a better spot.
Great phrase. Oh, I have another embarrassing story.
Of course you do.
Okay, so one time I was on a call with my boss, and the connection was terrible. I could only hear like half the words.
Oh no.
Yeah, and instead of saying the connection is bad, I just kept saying yes, yes, yes to everything he said.
No.
And then at the end he said, so you'll have the report done by tomorrow? And I said, yes, but I had no idea what report he was talking about.
What happened?
I had to email him later and admit I didn't hear anything. It was so awkward.
Lesson. If you can't hear, speak up. Say, I'm sorry, the connection is bad.
Exactly. Don't just say yes to everything.
All right, so sometimes you call someone and they don't answer. You get their voicemail. What do you say?
Great question. Here's a simple formula. Say your name, say why you're calling, and leave your number.
Perfect. Let's break it down. First, you say, Hi, this is Tom.
Hi, this is Tom. Then you say why you're calling. I'm calling about.
I'm calling about the appointment I made for Tuesday.
I'm calling to follow up on my job application.
And then you leave your number. My number is 555-1234.
And you can end with, please call me back when you get a chance. Thank you.
Let's put it all together. Tom, leave a voicemail for a dentist's office.
Hi, this is Tom. I'm calling to confirm my appointment for next Tuesday at 2 p.m. My number is 555-6789. Please call me back when you get a chance. Thank you.
Perfect. Clear, polite, and short.
Now, here's a tip. Speak slowly when you leave your number.
Yes, don't say, my number is 555-1234-567, all in one breath.
Right. Say it in chunks. 5, 5, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Give them time to write it down.
Let's practice. Lucy, leave a voicemail for a restaurant to make a reservation.
Hi, this is Lucy. I'm calling to make a reservation for 4 people on Friday at 7 p.m. My number is 555-8765. Please call me back to confirm. Thank you.
Excellent. Clear and easy to understand.
All right, now let's talk about ending a phone call politely.
So, you've had your conversation. How do you end the call without being rude?
Easy. You say, all right, I should let you go.
I should let you go. This is polite. It means, I know you're busy, so I'll stop talking now.
Or you can say, thanks for your time.
Thanks for your help.
I'll talk to you later.
And then the classic ending. Take care, or bye.
Let's practice. Tom, we just finished a work call. End it politely.
All right, Lucy, thanks so much for your help today. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
I should let you go. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Perfect. See? Easy and polite.
Now, one more thing. If the call is formal, like with a boss or client, you can add,
I look forward to hearing from you.
have a great day.
These add a professional touch.
Oh, I just remembered a funny story.
Let's hear it.
Okay, so one time I was on a call with a friend, and we were done talking, but neither of us wanted to hang up first.
Why?
I don't know. It was awkward. So we just kept saying, okay, bye, okay, bye, for like 2 minutes.
That's hilarious.
I know. Finally, I just said, all right, I'm hanging up now, and ended it.
Lesson. It's okay to end the call. Don't overthink it. All right, before we finish, let's talk about common phone call mistakes.
Number 1, saying yes when you don't understand.
Don't do that. If you don't understand, say, can you repeat that?
Number 2, speaking too fast because you're nervous.
Slow down. Take a breath. It's okay to pause.
Number 3, forgetting to leave your phone number in a voicemail.
Always leave your number and say it slowly.
And number 4, avoiding phone calls completely.
Yeah, I know it's scary, but the only way to get better is to practice.
Exactly. So don't avoid them. Embrace the challenge.
All right, let's recap. Today, you learned how to
Answer the phone politely.
make a phone call and introduce yourself,
Ask someone to repeat or slow down.
leave a clear voicemail.
And end a call politely.
So your challenge today is make one phone call in English.
It can be simple. Call a restaurant to ask about their hours. Call a friend. Just practice.
And remember, if you don't understand something, it's okay to ask them to repeat.
You've got this.
Next episode, Friday at 3 p.m.
We're talking about how to stop translating in your head.
We're talking about how to stop translating in your head.
So subscribe if you haven't already.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll see you Friday.
Take care.
Bye!